Penny here with SwissWatchExpo, taking a look at this absolutely gorgeous Rolex Pearlmaster that we have in stock, one of our many Rolex Pearlmasters that we have. The Pearlmaster collection is known as the Pearl of the Oyster collection at Rolex, and that is definitely true. Pearlmasters are always made out of precious metals. They always have some kind of interesting gems or dials, and they're just such great ladies' watches that just are very elegant and formal. So this watch is made out of entirely rose gold, or Rolex's EveRose, which is meant to last longer than normal rose gold. The bezel has 12 diamonds where the hour markers are, but it's also got Roman hour markers made out of rose gold on the actual dial. And the number 6 is a giant number 6 with diamonds in it. The face itself is made entirely out of mother of pearl, and it's just such a beautiful mother of pearl that really shifts in the light. As you can see, it changes as the light conditions change in the room. This watch is such a statement, and it's a gorgeous Rolex piece. You should definitely check this watch out and all of our Pearlmasters at SwissWatchExpo.com.